everyone, I'm Sophie, I go to the University of Nottingham and I'm going to be giving you some top packing tips ready for when you come to university this September. Packing tip number 1 is don't leave it till last minute. That's why hopefully you'll be watching this video so you'll be getting really prepped and ready to pack, because it's quite a big move and you'll be packing a lot of stuff, so you're going to need some preparation. Number 2 is start looking at checklists to pack the essentials. There'll be so many lists all over the internet and probably on the University of Nottingham website too, so why not have a look, search around and have a look and see kind of what you're going to be packing. Also, there should be different lists depending on whether you're going into a catered hall or a self-catered hall, so have a look at them as well. So maybe you don't want to do this one, but what I do is I would write my own list from all the different lists and what I can find, and then add some stuff that only I would take that are specific to me as well. So it might be some things that will make your room at uni feel homey for you. Next tip is don't pack too much. Not only might there not be enough room in your uni room for all this stuff, but you've got to remember you're going to be carrying it from the car or from the train all the way up to your room, and there might be loads of stairs. Next one is don't pack in too many suitcases. When I went, I took 2 suitcases and then some boxes that folded up and some bags and stuff like that. Because if you take too many suitcases or big boxes that don't fold up, you've got to think you've got to have somewhere to store them, and there might not be a place to store them in your uni room. Next one is take something to wedge your door open while you're there. Not only is this really useful for when you're going backwards and forwards from the car, but it's also useful when you're trying to make new friends to have your door open. It will make it seem really welcoming and hopefully people will pop their head around the door and say hi. Next one is pack your essentials in an easy to reach bag. You may not want to unpack as soon as you get there. You may want to go out, explore and make new friends. So it would be really good to have just one bag that has maybe a change of clothes, your toothbrush, some stuff that you may need day to day, so it's easy access so that you can actually go out and enjoy yourself as opposed to worrying about unpacking all your stuff and trying to find your toothbrush. And lastly, don't take toiletries or snacks because they'll take up too much space in your car and it'll be so much more to unpack. It's actually a really good idea to go, maybe if you're going with your parents, to the supermarket when you get there, get some snacks and get some toiletries. Not only will you find out where the local supermarket is, but you're also saving some space on packing. And those are my top tips. I hope they came in useful. Good luck with your packing and hopefully you'll have the best first week of uni ever. Bye!